So in this video I want to show you how to install Microsft Edge browser on your POCO F4. So in order to do this, let's open a Google Play Store. From here begin a search for an app and enter Microsft Edge. Now select this app, install it. When the process is finished, the phone will scan this app for any bad malware or whatever, and when this is done, we'll be able to open the app. From here we can sign in to turn on sync. I'm gonna do it later. You can enable or disable to share your data preferences. I'm gonna disable it and move on. And the last option is to set Microsft Edge as a default browser or skip it right here. So I'm gonna set it, select Edge and set as default. From here we can access any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.